You're watching FANATICS, scary videos from the web.
Leave a comment for more videos like this one.
Number 5.
Search for Supernatural is a team that dives into mysterious realms of the supernatural. In this video, venturing deep into the heart of a haunted forest notorious for its unsettling past, they set up camp for a night of chilling exploration. It sounds like it's right up our alley.
We're out in the woods.
Yeah. We are camping. Normally, we don't venture out into the woods, but we could not pass up this opportunity to come to one of the most haunted places.
Yeah.
The name of this place is called Sorrowwood Grove. It is one of the most haunted forest/campgrounds in the area. Now, the reason why it's so haunted is because two people were murdered here over 2 decades ago.
We're gonna attempt to spend the night out here, and we're gonna see if we can catch any paranormal activity.
And nobody sleeps at this campsite because this is where full body apparitions are seen. And if you go to sleep in your tent, something comes and messes with your tent.
Yeah.
So tonight, we're gonna try and sleep here.
The guys are all set up and ready to find the haunted trail.
So we have just arrived. Dude.
There's noise everywhere.
There it is again. Somebody's over there. They say if you stay here at nighttime, no one lasts the night. So, this is not the exact spot where the two people were unalived at. It's down a trail system. So we're gonna walk and try and find this trail system and find the exact spot. Now we brought a REM pod, an Ovulus, some cat balls, so we do have some equipment out here. And we're going to try and make contact with those people that were unalived. But I'll tell you, we have been to many haunted locations in our career. This place is scary. Did you hear that?
Yeah. They hear more noises and the guys are getting freaked out.
Wish us luck.
Small, unholy.
What?
Truth, slight. Went.
Went where? Can you tell us where to go? Can you tell us what direction we're supposed to be going? So things are starting to move all around us now? Did you just hear that? It sounded like a lady screaming. You hear it?
As they walk down the trail, they see what looks like a person.
We were just walking, trying to find the site that they say is the most haunted. And across the path, somebody just walked across.
We saw some feet
Way up there. And now we can't find our way out. Chiggy?
Bro,
How you feeling?
scared.
Well,
There's so much noise out here.
I'm scared that whatever the we saw is gonna come back.
I don't know. I think we need to get the out of here.
We gotta find our way out, dude. This is not fun. Which way? There's only one way, so we had to. Hell no, bro. hell no.
The haunted trail turns out to be more than they bargained for, but they press on.
Jiggy?
Yeah.
Jiggy?
Yeah.
Let's back it up. Back it up. And we need to get back to the campsite. Keep eyes on behind us, Jiggy. There's somebody out here, bro. We gotta figure out how to get out of here, seriously. We ain't little guys, bro, but I mean, this is a little scarier than I was expecting. Alright. We can do this, bro. I said if we just cut through the brush and go off-road, we should be circling back around where we came. So, you think we should just keep going?
I think we should just keep going.
I mean, we're not even on a path anymore.
Board. Disc.
What did it say?
Board disc.
Oh, Jesus.
Pray.
Pray?
Pray? Nah, bro, nah.
What happened? What'd you see?
It just called us prey.
Pray, like P-R-E-Y?
I think so. Let me look.
Alright, so we made it back to the campsite. We got lost on the trail system trying to find the spot where the two people were. The REM pod is going crazy. Now we have the REM pod on a picnic table in the middle of nowhere. While we were walking on the trail, Jiggy, what'd you say?
It looked like feet running across the trail. Like, I don't know, 100 yards up in front of me.
Now, the crazy, scary thing is, this is the only...
It keeps going off.
This is the only site to camp on in like 100 acres. And apparently nobody has camped here in years because of all the crazy things that have happened. Dude talking.
Now the guys are hearing what sounds like people talking, but they're in a very secluded spot.
Where's that coming from?
Everywhere.
Alright, so we're hearing what sounds like people talking, but we're miles into the forest. So there should be, realistically, nobody out here. The woods are pretty dense, but we're hearing footsteps right over there.
Yeah.
Which is thick wood. Dude, no way. This is trippy as shit.
Noises are all around them, coming from every direction.
What the
Nah, bro.
fudge is going on?
Nah.
Hold up, time out. It sounds like somebody's knocking on trees, like somebody's hitting trees with something. Dude, I just saw lights.
Where?
Right over here. Like right over here going this way. So it sounds like we're getting surrounded by people, but there's nobody out here.
The REM pods use colored lights and audible tones to alert when the energy field is
Look at it.
disturbed.
It's going crazy.
What is happening?
I have no idea. Whoa!
What was that?
Bro.
Vary. Together. Puncture.
What?
Carry. Interrupt.
Puncture?
Puncture, carry, interrupt.
I'd be more concerned about the buried together part.
Hello?
Again, he thinks he sees a person in the woods and the REM pod goes off again.
Dude, I saw a person. There goes the REM pod. Dude, I saw a person.
No shit.
Whoa. Bro, we can't. What are we gonna do? Stay out here and there's people lurking around our campsite?
Hell no.
Well, where did they go, bro? I mean, there's a trail right there that leads up, but
It goes up to the truck.
everywhere we go, we hear 2 knocks. Not 3, not 1, 2. We heard it at Selma. There's the REM pod again going off. We heard 2 knocks at Selma. We heard 2 knocks at Wilson Castle. We just heard 2 knocks on the tree. What the F is with 2 knocks?
This is crazy.
Dude,
I'm freaked out.
what do we do? There's a person lurking around, bro. What are we supposed to do?
It's pitch black. Without these flashlights, you can't see your hand in front of your face.
Well, look, man.
Bro, I don't know if we can do this.
Dude, but this is what they say. This is exactly what they say. Every time somebody comes here, they cannot stay the night because stuff like this happens. Hey. Did you hear that?
Yeah.
It sounds like people are talking.
Dude, I think we gotta get out of here.
Bro, come on.
One final loud noise from the woods sends the guys running for camp. Once inside the car, they decide Sorrowwood Grove was more than they bargained for. Maybe they'll return someday to continue their search for the double murder haunted trail. This video comes from YouTuber Ruben Mockery. He and some of his closest friends are camping at their usual spot by the lake, and something freaky happens.
And Tom,
what's up?
That I can't hardly see because it's really dark. I can't find the light on this thing, dude.
Hello.
It's just kind of. I see Trevor waving. Okay.
Here, I'll get my phone.
Let's see me get up and get the fire. He's somewhere in that vicinity.
What would we do with the hot dogs? I need some hot dogs. I'm hungry.
I could go for some marshmallows, dude. For
Marshmallows would be
s'mores.
awesome. It's dessert time.
It's our campfire. Centinela candles.
I think it's just the lake. It probably is.
Man, that smoke is killing my eyes.
Yeah, it's pretty brutal.
The guys decide they don't need a tent. They're going to be sleeping under the stars, and before they settle in,
To keep our bugs off of us.
No tent because we're men. No tent.
That's right, manly men.
We sleep beneath the stars. Just us and the stars.
they see a pair of eyes glowing in the dark, looking at
Man.
them.
Is that a full moon?
Guys, what is that?
I think it is. I think it's full moon night. What's what, Bradley?
Seriously, guys, there's something I seriously saw something over there. Tom, did you not see it? Yes, there was, Jeremy. But Tom and I both saw it, dude.
It was probably a squirrel. It was nuts. It was nuts. I don't know, man. It's not a squirrel. Would you say it was a squirrel?
Okay.
A woodland creature.
Okay, what squirrel would look like that, Tom?
It's an animal. Okay, we're in the woods. Go figure. Don't lose.
As the guys discuss what kind of creature they saw, it's upon them before they know it, and they're sent running in different directions.
I don't know.
Oh, crap. It's coming. Oh, my God. Oh,
Get in, guys. Get in. Okay. Where's the keys? I don't know.
Seen it.
Where's
Tom at?
Where's Tom?
Tom!
Everyone makes it to the boat, but Tom can't be found.
All right, dude. We got the boat.
He came from over there.
We'll come get you, dude.
Tom.
Guys, I'm over here. Are you alright?
Thank God. Are you okay?
Dude, I think I lost it. I don't know. I think it's right behind me. I'm not sure.
What is it, dude? What is it?
I don't know. I couldn't
You need
tell
to
what it was.
jump. Come on, get down here with us.
You'll have to jump,
I
Tom.
cannot jump. This is too high. It's like, oh my gosh!
Come on, Tom.
Come on, swim, man.
Swim, Tom. Swim. Swim.
Oh my God, did you see it?
No. No, we've not seen it.
Oh my God.
Wait, what is...
They look up and realize it was right behind Tom.
Oh my gosh, dude, did you see that?
Thank God you're just man. That's the same thing we've been seeing.
Let's get out of here. Let's find out what that thing was.
Dude, it's right up there, look.
Sorry, man.
We gotta go, like, right now. Now. What? There it is.
Dude, you see it? Do you see it?
No, hold on. Dude, if we get this on camera... There it is. That's it.
Dude, why does it keep chasing us?
I don't know. Oh my goodness. That is,
Dude,
oh my
I think it's about
gosh.
to jump in the water. Are you serious?
Oh my gosh!
Go!
What the heck? It's chasing the boat, Tom! Go! Oh my goodness. Go! Go! Go!
All they know about this red-eyed creature is that it was chasing them, but they don't know why or what it is.
Number 3.
Brian and Katana are paranormal researchers and ghost hunters. Tonight we follow the YouTubers as they camp at a secluded spot in Michigan.
It's like it's like 4 in the morning. I had to get up to pee, and so did Katana. So we pitched a fire over there. Sorry, the quality is not the best, but off in the distance I hear like yelping. I hope you guys can hear it.
I cannot hear it, but Brian keeps saying it's there. I keep hearing something in the woods right behind our campsite walking around.
The yelping is coming from this direction.
The yelping sounds continue, followed by knocking on trees and then footsteps nearby.
I heard footsteps over here.
Should I grab my flashlight?
I think another light would not hurt.
I just don't want to leave the car by too long of a distance. Which is why I'm like,
Here, I'll come with you.
I'm not seeing or hearing anything.
Well, what's weird is that this shit happened when we were going to bed too. Except without the yelping. Did you hear that?
The branch
Yeah, that sounded big.
could be a little bigger.
Well, it's kind of, I guess, alarming to me that the yelping stopped. Is this you?
Brian notices what looks like scratches and a hand smear on his car.
No, I promise. Not intentionally, at least.
I don't think it was a branch.
I kind of think it was because it lines up with the branch.
What the fuck?
More noises have the couple on edge as they continue to search the woods with their flashlights.
Was that a whistle?
I think so.
There were footsteps by that campsite. Dude, literally just... Huh?
Hello?
Was there another... Like, that had to be another camper.
It's 4 in the morning. Who's gonna be up?
I know. That's what I'm saying. It's weird.
Like, it sounded like
It was across the lake.
Hey,
That campsite.
it came like directly across the lake, which there's no
The noises at 4 a.m. are enough for the couple to pack up and start to head out.
It's just our heads.
Brian seems to be on edge about staying any longer.
You hear that? No, that.
What is that?
Something seems to be moving closer to the camp.
What is that?
I don't know. I'll maybe go a little bit faster if you can.
Later in the day, Katana gets a text from her mom. She just heard on the news that a couple people were found dead. They were killed in Michigan while they were camping. People were killed while camping in Michigan.
Always trust your gut instinct if you can't protect yourself. But get out and don't look back.
Number 2.
YouTubers exploring with fighters are adventure travel vloggers, traveling the world seeking the most amazing hidden history. In this video, a simple camping trip on a cold, dark, rainy night turns scary when someone enters their campsite as they eat dinner right inside their tent.
We need some better cooking utensils. I know, I'm working on it, My big knife, I don't know where I put it. Okay, so if you haven't already guessed, I'm cooking tonight rump steak, a sirloin steak, with some beautiful vine tomatoes and some tender long pieces of broccoli. That's what we're doing for, you know what I mean, talk about, 5-star Michelin chef over here.
Doesn't get any better than this.
Out in Epping Forest.
I get better food here than I do at my own house.
Yours is a lumpy mess one.
Oh, thanks.
Yeah?
It's still nice though.
It's still nice. It's Angus cut.
Yeah, but you made it sound terrible.
It makes it all worthwhile. All the hard work that went into it. Oh!
That was definitely something thrown at the tent with some force.
What's that?
The guy seemed to be in shock, not knowing what to do or what just happened. The guys decide to have a peek outside.
If you hear anything, tell us, because I'm not going to do anything if I hear
Everything seems quiet. No one is in sight.
So I've got a CCTV camera up there. It might go in on there. I put it up there because last time we got a fox on camera walking around the tents. So I wanted to see if we capture any animals walking around. But whatever that was, it smashed the side of the tent. Yeah. It could have. Legit footsteps. At first I thought, hold on, it could be like a branch falling off the tree, right? But the way it smacked the side of the tent, but then the footsteps, but then it could have been an animal. I'll have to check that CCTV footage.
As the guys continue on with their dinner, a twig can be heard snapping outside as if someone is walking around.
What was that? A branch or something? I've been for a bit, but I haven't heard anything like that all night. That's what worries me.
CCTV footage shows the tent from outside right before it was unzipped and after they heard the footsteps. If you look closely at the bottom right-hand corner of the screen, someone walks into frame and stares at the tent. But just as the guys unzip it to have a peek outside, the person backs away and disappears into the darkness. The next morning, the guys pack up not knowing what they've captured on the CCTV camera.
Weirdest thing was the whole something in the side of the tent. Very strange. Could have been just some stuff falling down from the tree, which is more than likely, but I did have the CCTV camera set up anyway because I was hoping that we would capture something wandering around the tents early hours. Left some of the leftover steak outside the door and nothing took it, which was quite a surprise because I could have sworn that I could hear something like walking around the tent on fours.
Something was indeed walking around the tent, but it didn't have 4 legs, it only had 2. Coming up next, our #1 video. Take this opportunity to hit the subscribe button so you never miss another upload from Fear Fanatics. #1. Proving demons on YouTube goes to some of the darkest haunted locations on Earth, hoping to capture the highest quality evidence of ghosts, demons, and proof of the afterlife. In this video, however, after doing some EVPs and attempting to communicate with spirits, something so terrifying happens that sends them running for their lives.
Yeah.
Alright, bro, you ready for this?
Yeah, man.
Let's do this. Yeah, you can turn your torches on now if you'd like. Let's see. Oh god, that's a lot of masks.
That's not creepy. That's a bit.
Right.
Weird thing to bump into.
It's not up there. What would you actually do? Would you continue?
Depends whose face it was.
It's like a ghost or something.
The team make their way inside the building, unknowing what lies ahead.
Be careful of that.
I'm really shocked because when we were in daylight, it was actually alright here. Like I felt pretty safe. And like night time, day, it just sounded a horrible vibe.
Yeah, isn't it?
Right. Well, again, if you guys hear anything, see anything, let me know, okay?
Yeah. Right. So right. So
Last time you.
These, they're not actually attached.
It's
okay.
dangerous, yeah.
So it's going to be a game of Jenga. What you want to do really?
Go
is
left.
That way.
No, go left.
That way.
Yeah, left.
It's a dead end.
Oh yeah, well, it's wouldn't it? Oh
No,
shit.
you want to go forward.
Yeah, go that way.
Trust the door. You go straight and through those doors.
Oh, that's comforting.
Yeah. That's
They make their way down the hallway, avoiding the holes in the floor covered by the planks.
Yeah.
Oh, that isn't creepy.
Then they're stopped in their tracks by a noise from inside the building somewhere.
What the fuck was that noise?
Yeah.
You good? Yeah, I got it.
Do you want to go up? Because upstairs there's less of this. Do you want to go up a level? There's the stairs here.
Let's go a bit. Okay. No, hold on. There's some. Was that the door behind me closing?
I don't know.
That was a weird noise.
I don't know. That's why I said shush.
It was just like.
Fucking hope so.
All right.
Should we go up?
Yeah, let's go upstairs for now. Yeah. Okay, hold on.
Right, I saw it. It's coming this way. Can you see that the black door?
Yeah, no, that's what I was saying. I thought I saw something moving.
Is it a bat? Do you think, or?
No, it looked bigger than that. It looked like the silhouette of a person. Sorry, we were just discussing the next plan. I was going to get some equipment out, but
Wait.
we're seeing something. Yeah, go pitch black for a minute. Hello?
He calls out to the person he thinks he sees at the end of the hallway, but no answer.
Who's down there? Turn the small light on. Perfect. Keep it like that. Can you show yourself on my camera, please? Yeah, my camera's picking up on movement down there. Well, this place is any good as...
Church.
Church, okay. It's giving us random words at the moment. What? What's wrong? Lights out.
One of the girls in the group thinks she hears something outside, and she tells them to turn off their flashlights so she can look out the window.
Be careful, yo. Flashlights. There's flashlights outside.
Wife.
Okay. What?
If you look up that end of the building, like as far as the eye can see, there's one flashlight.
Okay, it's fine.
Roger.
Found you.
Fuck.
No, it's right there.
Yeah.
Listen. Found you.
That is so clear.
Found you.
Family.
Okay,
So it's
I got
found
chills
us.
now.
I don't like that.
There's
Can we
playing
also address the giggling? Like I'm 99% sure that's actual people outside.
Fuck 'em.
After hearing the "Found You" EVP, coincidentally they realize they've been discovered by someone.
Somebody's here.
Okay, let's go downstairs.
That's the stairs there. Alright, somebody's here. Oh, great. Careful. Do not run.
They make their way down the debris-covered staircase, trying to be as quiet as possible and looking for the nearest exit.
Bottom floor. Is this a way out? Oh, fuck.
As they reach an opening, the bangs get louder and realize this isn't an exit.
Where?
Front left.
Find an exit. Just go. Find an exit. No, that's the way out.
Finally, they make their way outside, but this isn't an exit either, and they are forced to walk through the thick brush and make a path, not knowing where it will lead.
This ain't the way out. I'm trying. Stop panicking. Go.
They've got weapons.
Once they realize they can't get through these thick woods, they have to make their way back inside the building, where they see 3 men who begin to chase them.
Typically humans are scarier than ghosts, but we never expected to that level. So yeah, just be really careful out there, guys. Keep it cool, and I just hope it never happens to any of you other ghost hunters or urbexers out there, because I know it doesn't hardly ever happen. I've been doing this 7 years. This has never happened. I've been chased, I've been caught by people, but not like this.
Please help the channel grow by subscribing. You can also be a huge help by liking the video and commenting. If you like these videos, visit our channel to browse other content and hit the notification bell to get notified every week when we upload a new video. Until next time, sweet dreams and
happy nightmares.